Hi, welcome back. This is Dominic. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. So you guys can tell. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So I was down. Let me go. Let me show my spreadsheet that I was talking about. So in today's day, I was a total of. I told you guys my day is to make at least $10 to $20 a day. That's my main goal. Most people have like you can't expect bigger goal with like small money. That's what I'm telling people out there. You can't expect bigger goals with small money. I think people always start small. So my main goal is $10 to $20, which is very possible. But sometimes I make more than that. But when I make more than that, I don't like. I'm happy that I make more than that, but I'm not disappointed. I don't want to set my goal to make $50. When I make $20, I get disappointed, and that's I think people out there always set a least goal for yourself. So what happened? Like just say you hit more than that, it kind of good for your mental health. Okay, for example, just say like for example, I put $165 and I say go for like $40 a day. Okay. And if I don't reach that in a day, guess what happens? I'm gonna start taking risky bets. Okay, I'm gonna start going into trades that I'm not supposed to be in. Some people out there always get a lower goal. Okay, so in case you pass that, you be like, okay, you do good. It kind of help with your psychology and everything. Okay, and what I've been saying over and over again. So you guys can tell today I pretty do good. I started with 213, but right now at the end of the day, I'm gonna be ending with what 232. Okay, so I make a $20 profit. So I'm gonna have to add one more shit with this one, but I'll make $20 profit. I make $20 profit today. Okay, minus 233 equals to $30 profit. I make $30. Tell me about that. You gotta be willing to be willing. Okay, so it's like 232, but it can be way more than that. But if I get more than that or less than that, I'm still happy. You see that? I was like most of my goal. Let me go to my history so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The way I make money was funny. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me go on my workspace so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Performance default. I don't know where did I have it at. I forgot. Okay, there it goes. Let me see if I can zoom out. Okay, so I sold one today. Oh man, there it goes. So see that? Let me zoom in so you guys can see. So I made a $5 profit off this trade. It was easy. It was easy money right here. $5 trade right here. Make $10 trade, right? So I make $15 and basically $15, and I take a $4 trade right here. So basically in total I make $20 so far. Okay, $20 profit. It's not that bad. You see that? That's my trade. I only lost one so far. See, I lost one so far, which was 920. That was like 2 days ago. But I lost $9.56. But you guys can tell, you gotta learn how to get out. Okay, learn how to get out. That's my basic plan of all. I've been winning a lot. But I've taking a lot of losses too. But that's what I'm talking about. But I've been winning a lot, and then yeah, like I'm saying, people out there do not look at that. Almost 235, almost 232 right there. 10 people out there, always be conscious. Sell realistic goal for yourself. Do not be out here thinking that you can make millions of dollars. You got to set a realistic goal. That's how you start building. Right now, my main goal is trying to get this account from 233. Tomorrow, I'm trying to make 260 or 270, like another $30 profit. If I make 260, 270 on that, and then on Sunday and Monday, by the end of next week, I'm trying to be at least around $400 to $500 by next week, so I can start placing like higher bets, like putting more higher sell position in there, so I can be able to make more money. So like I say, usually most people don't know this is an option I usually trade in. So I trade JPY, USD. Okay, I'm telling people out there, I always trade with that USD. You and USD always do good. Sometimes you have to actually follow the market, but sometimes it can be very hard. Okay, and yeah, there's so many of them. So USJPY always keep profits. So I'm telling people out there, USJPY is always doing good, which I'm very, very grateful for. And even now, look at that. If you see that I'm making profit in Europe, USD, USG, and then GPD and GPY, they always keep profits. Okay, Europe JPY too. I'm saying out there, US JPY, Europe USD always giving a lot of profit. I'm telling people out there, if you want to make enough money, I'm only invested in three positions. Okay, I'm not here trying to put a lot of them. See what happened? AUSD is pretty risky. Do not try to take it because it's pretty risky at this moment. I'm telling you about that. It's pretty risky. Do not take it. And all of my trade I've been making profits is off Europe JPY. That's all of it. Europe JPY, GBP, and Europe USD. That's the only one that I'm taking. Do not trade certain things. You gotta figure out what works for you and when you're available. Like I tell you, always figure out what works for you. Do not try to follow other people. Like even though you might try to follow other people, but sometimes like it depends. Like for me, I'm always checking my phone so I can actually know when to get out of profits. Okay, I always check my phone. Like right now, I always check my phone every 30 minutes an hour. I always check my phone and see how much profit I actually made. If I figure out I'm losing way more money, I kind of like back out a little bit. Not gonna lie, I backed out a little bit. Shut out, avoid myself from ruin myself. I don't want to ruin myself in a way bad way. I'm telling people out there, always that. But like I have two trades that are doing bad right now. But you guys know it's all about patience. Telling people out there, you gotta learn how to be patient. You just can't expect quick money. Like all those YouTubers you see making quick money, they have a lot of money in an account. They have leverages, so those leverage allow them to put more bets and able to make quick profit. But if you have a small account, there's no way you're gonna flip that small account into like thousands of dollars. It's impossible. See that? This is my trading today. Let me show you guys one thing. See that? This is how I go. Let me show you guys what I was thinking about right here. I don't know why it doesn't want to sip in, but see that? I put my sell limit, my sell stop. See that? I was putting in between so I can know how to like really take the trade. There's people out here just taking risk. There's risk takers out here. Do not follow people, okay? Do not follow people that are actually making money, because most people have a misconception that you can make quick money. No, with a small account. If you have like 100,000, you can probably make like 3,000 each day if you have 100,000. But that's like if you have $100,000 or 200,000. But most people trying to set a higher unrealistic goal, even though they have small account. If you have $1,000, you're looking around $50 to $60 each. You're looking at least $100, 10%. I always look at 10% of whatever you got. So if you got $100, so if you got $1 each day, it's pretty good. You have $1 to $5 each day on the $100 stuff. It's pretty good. You can be more than that. For me, I put 150, so it's around. My bad. $100 is like $10. Okay, $10. That's $5 to $10 is pretty good. I put $150, so my goal is around $50 to $20, which is a realistic goal for me to actually hit every single day. So I'm just saying out there, always set a realistic goal for yourself. Do not try to be like those other YouTubers. It's kind of sell dreams that way people think that you can just invest more money. Trust me, it's not impossible that you can't make money off it, but the chance of you actually making money that fast is pretty impossible. I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. I'm not trying to sell you guys a dream, Like, and I'm just like, I used to fail a lot. Like, I used to do bad, man. It was truly bad for me when I first started. But when I figured out I just had to stick on one, when I figured out I only have to stick on three instead of me doing different things. And second thing, you have to study. You gotta figure out like you're gonna take a loss. Like you're gonna take a lot of loss. Like you have to learn. Like right now, for me, I have notebooks. I don't know if you guys can. I have notebooks. I have notebooks to figure out like which one actually profitable for me. Okay, like anytime I lost a trade, I figure out how many times I lost that trade and how many times I won that trade, and I keep actually doing that trade over and over and over again. And if you keep profiting me, that's kind of a symbol I'm gonna always use to actually trade. So you guys can see if you're new to the channel, leave a like, comment down below, and see you guys later. Peace out.